Welcome to Bez Reviews, where we break down the latest products. Today, we're taking a closer look at the KNKA APH4000, an air purifier designed for home bedrooms and larger spaces. This unit promises comprehensive air purification with smart features and efficient design. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's dive into what truly matters for an air purifier: its core performance and efficiency. We are looking at how effectively it cleans the air. The KNKA APH4000 boasts strong purification capabilities, verified by AHAM standards. Its dual intake and output design, combined with a robust filtration system, works to refresh your air efficiently. This ensures a noticeable improvement in indoor air quality for your home. The KNKA APH4000 covers up to 350 square feet with nearly 5 air changes per hour, making it quite effective for standard living spaces. This purifier uses a robust dual 3-stage filtration system, including a washable pre-filter, high-efficiency filter, and activated carbon, capturing a wide range of pollutants. It boasts impressive AHAM-verified CADR values, confirming its reliable and effective purification power against smoke, dust, and pollen. Overall, the KNKA APH4000 delivers strong and verified air purification performance, especially for medium to large rooms. Its effective filtration and airflow design are clear strengths. Now let's examine the practical side of owning the KNKA APH4000, focusing on its smart features and overall value proposition. We will see how it fits into daily life. Beyond pure performance, this air purifier offers intelligent features that improve daily use and convenience. From automated operation to specialized modes, it aims to simplify maintaining fresh air in your home. We are also evaluating the overall investment. The multiple operating modes, including a quiet sleep mode and a special pet mode, provide excellent control for various situations and user preferences. A real-time air quality display with color-coded lights instantly shows your current indoor air status, adding convenience. While it includes a helpful filter replacement indicator, remember that using genuine KNKA filters every 3 to 6 months is necessary for optimal performance. Considering its AHAM verification, dual filters, and smart features, the current price point suggests a good overall value for this air purifier. The KNKA APH4000 offers excellent usability with its smart modes and clear air quality display. Its value proposition is solid, even with the ongoing filter costs. The KNKA APH4000 air purifier stands out with its AHAM-certified performance, providing reliable air cleaning for a range of room sizes. Its dual 3-stage filtration system effectively tackles various pollutants, making it a strong contender for cleaner home air. With smart features like pet and ECO modes, plus quiet operation, it adapts well to different household needs, offering a solid blend of efficiency and user-friendliness. While filter replacements add to long-term costs, its initial value is quite compelling.